like men and women, we all have our equal rights. We don't need to wait for June to celebrate Pride Month because every day is a battle of our life towards acceptance. So to sum it up all, I will choose to celebrate Women's Month because I believe that at the end of the day, still, trans women are women. Thank you. Have a good night. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, candidate number one. Every day is Friday. Every day
Is Pride. Correct. Mamang, now let's have our next candidate all the way from Pangasinan. Candidate number 20, ML Tukay.
Again, one of the most beautiful face. Ayan, ang ganda.
Mamang, sis, I also know na all the way ka pa from Region 1. How does it feel sa Bicol?
I feel so amazing to be here. The 3-day stay since June 15. I felt and I've experienced so many firsts in my life. And tonight, with all the clamoring clap from all the people, maraming salamat po. Uuwi ako ng Pangasinan with an amazing experience with the warm welcome of the people of Tobacco.
Well, Miss ML, please beg your question.
The judge she picked is Attorney Jovito Coderes.
Hello po. Hello. Okay. During festivals, you would notice that